Okay, folks, Jim here. Let's get close. Whoa. Alrighty. So, starting today, I ended up getting those. Oops, sorry about the walking through there. Anyway, ended up getting these welded on. They're okay. I don't know if the door is open or not yet on account of, I didn't finish it. I have to use my got a saber saw, jigsaw. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, see if I can't get it a little more open. And it seems like my hinges aren't quite aligned right, but you know what? They're there anyway. And, who knows if this is even gonna fly, right? I don't know. I can tell you who doesn't know. Oh, these smokes, folks! I just hit you with the darn Nipco there, a little old 850 John Deere. I just put that on the darn thing too, on the, what do you call it, Facebook, so I could sell it. Anyway, alright, well, all I'm going to do is use regular old saber saw with metal cutting blade. It seems to have worked on the other part there, so anyway, just do a little footage here so you folks can see that I am building it. It's not just something that came from somewhere. Well, it did come from somewhere. All these pieces came from somewhere, right? Oh, I need to change different glasses here. And now I have my safety glasses and my safety underwears on, so we're doing really great this time here. So this works pretty good. You might want to turn down your sound. Bouncing around, he doesn't like me much. That's alright, we have more to do too, so I'm going to go a little bit alternate. It's getting kind of hard to see. So anyway, here we go on the other part. It's like some of the metal is softer than the others. It goes zipping through and then it gets caught on something. And usually when that happens, there's a tooth missing. But no teeth missing. Well, we got one that's a little, it's boogery there, so that might be the deal. Anyway, so I'll come back when I got these guys here cut open for you, because then it'll just open and then we can see inside of it. That'll be cool, right? So, there you go, you saw that part right there. Let's see, let's get back here a little bit. There you go. So thanks a lot for stopping by. I'm going to finish up a little bit of work here. Like, subscribe, comment. We love you here, man. If they don't love you there, come here.